How to add AI without breaking the ERP. Your ERP Epicor is a core system. Finance, operations, planning, it all runs through it. So any AI initiative has to be handled carefully. Here's a sequence that works. Start with a clear use case, not we want to add AI, something specific like reducing planning effort or catching quality issues earlier. A vague objective produces vague results. Second, look at your AI data. AI depends on data quality. If what's in Epicor is inconsistent or poorly structured, the AI output will reflect that. Data cleanup often has to happen before AI delivers anything useful. Third, test outside of production. Always. Validate the logic, review the outputs, confirm they make sense before anything touches live users. And fourth, phase it in. Start small, prove value, then expand. Then you'll build trust in the tool without creating risk. If you're mapping out an AI initiative and want a second opinion on the approach, we're easy to reach at techweb.com/contact. The link is in the description below.